Hello, good morning traders. Today is the 18th of August, Blessing Friday. What an amazing trade, guys. Let me share with you guys a dollar yen. Beautiful trade. As you have seen, as mentioned to my trader, we have been short from yesterday when the market broke on this, support level. And after this impulsive, we have this small correction. After that, we also had a beautiful short trade here. Price nicely hit to the profit target. And we bank amazing profit as soon as the price hit this level. Let me share with you how I analyze the entry. That's a pretty straightforward. If you look at here yesterday, we had this long trade here. Being an intraday, we bank amazing profit. And afterward, we look at the price action and pretty straightforward. This is what we were expecting here. We have this impulsive move. After impulsive, we were expecting some correction. And as I said to my trader, let the market break this one and then continue keep taking a pullbacks. So as you can see here, the price nicely broken after the breakout. We have one pullback, second pullback, and also after that, as mentioned to my trader, it's time to bank some profit and look for this breakout again. Possibility of one more short trade here. You can see here, this is another analysis just before London Open. As you can see, price nicely broken even after the breakout. Price also confirmed. Now I mentioned to my trader, bank some profit or move your stop loss at the break even or tighten your stop loss. We had amazing trade, guys, on dollar yen. As you have seen, guys, how we analyze the market in 4 hour and how we analyze the entries and exit in intraday, and helping our traders to bank amazing profit every single day. So most welcome. Join our fast growing trader community if you want to see all that analysis in real time. All the best.